So good evening all of you. So now I think we are going to study now in today's class. In last class we are studying what is biosphere reserve and how many
Good evening, sir.
India, how many biosphere reserves are there in India, and what are that, and that is all. So if you come to here, in today's class we'll continue from there. If you'll observe carefully, in India we have totally how many biosphere reserves? How many biosphere reserves? In
Sir,
India,
14 biosphere reserves, sir.
14 biosphere reserves, but in that only 5, the biggest one is 5. 5 names. Can you able to say that 5 names, please? Anybody? So totally in India, we have 14 biosphere reserves. Understand? So 14 biosphere reserves. Some nice is coming. 14 biosphere reserves. In that, only 5 we have studied. So what is that 5? Can you able to say, please? First one.
Kaziranga biosphere reserve.
That is not first one. Andaman Nicobar, Great Nicobar. Is it a
Nicobar biosphere reserve.
Nicobar biosphere? Understanding? Biosphere reserve. Next, second one.
Kaziranga biosphere reserve.
Kaziranga. Understanding? Kaziranga biosphere reserve. Third one. What? Silra. Don't know. Johan. What is this? Third one. What is the third one? Sundarbans biosphere.
Sir, Panchmark only, no, sir.
Five. You tell me. Sundarbans biosphere. Which is located where? West Bengal. This is located with Kaziranga, Assam. Correct or not? Assam
Yes, sir.
is located at
And
Andaman.
Andaman Nicobar.
Understanding? Andaman
Yes, sir.
and Nicobar. Okay. Next, this is West Bengal. Next, fourth one.
Sir,
Fourth
sir,
one.
fourth one.
Name ra fourth one. Kanha Biosphere Reserve. Have you forgot?
Madhya Pradesh.
Kanha Biosphere Reserve, which is present in MP. And last one,
Madhya Pradesh.
Panchmark.
Panchmarchi biosphere reserve.
called as Panchmarhi Biosphere. What is that? Panchmarhi
Panchmarchi biosphere reserve. That is also in Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. PA, what is the spelling?
Panchmarchi.
Sorry, wrong spelling. Here I have done Panchmarhi. Panchmarhi. Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve, which is also located in Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
In our today's class, understanding, actually observe out of this 14 or else out of this 5, we have some specialty regarding this Panchmarhi Biosphere. So that is why we need to study about it. And yesterday I have told you what is biosphere and how many layers will be there. Biosphere is a combination of 3 sectors. So
3 layers, sir.
The
3 layers. Core zone, buffer zone, and
first sector called
transition.
next second zone is called as buffer zone. Understanding? And the outer zone is called as what? What is outer zone?
Transition zone.
Transition zone. Is it transition?
Transition zone, sir.
Transition zone. So
Zone.
in this people who is used to live, people groups will be there, and this one research
Sir.
work.
Sir, I have doubts, sir. The inner zone is no, sir. That is core zone or cove zone, sir.
Core, C-O-R-E, core. Okay? Core.
Okay, sir.
It is only wildlife will be present. Only wildlife. No human eyes allowed.
Buffer zone researchers will be there.
Allowed. Understanding? So next buffer zone, research and
Researchers are
research and tourism. Understanding? Do you understand or not? Tourism and as well
Yes,
as
sir.
outer zone. What we
Yes,
should
sir.
call it as people.
Yes, sir.
That name what we should call it as. People used to live
outer zone.
in outer zone.
Tourism zone. Transition zone.
Transition zone only.
Tourism.
Living inside. Who is living inside that?
Tourism.
Array, tourism is
Road.
zone. You forgot it. Tourism is buffer zone.
Transition is a zone which people live.
Human settlements.
Home.
You forgot it. Human settlements. Have you forgot it or not? This is fully forgot. Three
No,
zones. One is
No, sir.
zone, and the next one is buffer zone, and next one is transition zone. So transition zone, tribals will be present. Understanding different species of tribal, different region, different types of tribes will be present. So that is why here the cultivation, everything is allowed. Agriculture, farming, cultivation is allowed. Understanding. So that is the speciality of biosphere. Is it yes or no? People also the people, the local people are tribes. Tribes are also the part of biosphere. That is the speciality of biosphere. And also if it comes to here, middle zone, that is only called as buffer zone. So this buffer zone only we can call it as research zone, where the people can walk and they can enjoy by seeing the animals and all. So that is only we can call it as buffer zone. This middle zone is called as buffer zone. If we'll take the midpoint, what is that? Midpoint is called as core zone. Core zone. Understanding? Innermost zone is called as core zone.
Core zone.
Core zone is called as what? Understanding? Innermost zone. Only wild animals will be present. Understanding? No activities are allowed. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is what we have studied in last class. Now, if we compare these 5 biosphere reserves, in that, understanding Panchmarhi biosphere is having some speciality. Speciality. What is the speciality of this one? Can you able to say?
Sir, there is more biosphere reserves are there, sir.
Yes.
There is more forest.
Yes. Any wild sanctuaries or else any national parks. But if it comes to this, understanding Panchmarhi biosphere, it contains 2 wildlife sanctuaries. What is that?
Wildlife sanctuaries and one national park.
Wildlife sanctuaries and as well as 1 national park. What it contains?
Okay.
One
national park.
That is why it is special compared to the other biospheres. All of you note it down. All of you note it down.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Ask me.
So you told that core zone only wildlife, no, sir? And in the buffer zone, only tourism, no, sir?
But parks they will arrange. Are you understanding? They will arrange parks. Parks in the middle zone, buffer zone. Do you understanding? For tourism. For tourism.
Okay.
In buffer zone, these wildlife sanctuaries and national parks will arrange. And these animals only they will do research. Do you understanding, Johan? Chaitanya?
Yes, sir.
So wildlife animals, those who are present in wild zone, means in the sense of the core zone, nobody will touch anything. Understanding? Core zone, no animal will be treated. They will be live freely. Whatever they want, they will eat.
What if they came to buffer zone, sir?
What? Buffer zone like a park. How you can keep parks? We will bring the animals from the somewhere and we'll keep it as a tourism. We'll keep in the caves and all. Correct or not?
Okay.
Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So, actually, in buffer zone, we are using for what? Only for research work. Is it yes or no? Research on animals and plants and all. Along with that, we want income. So that income, we are maintaining what? We are constructing wild zone. Understanding? Wild sanctuaries. And as well as we are making the national parks so that people can come and visit the animals. Do you understanding, Ra? Animals and plants, so that we can get the money from them. Do you understanding, Ra? Any doubt?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, ask me, Johan.
Sir, the third biosphere reserve, sir.
Third
Sir,
biosphere.
can you tell me?
One name. Name is called
Yes,
as
sir.
third biosphere is a Sundarbans biosphere. Sundarbans biosphere, West Bengal.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
so all of you should write. Why Panchmarhi biosphere is special compared to others? Because
Two wildlife
Panchmarhi biosphere have 2 wild sanctuaries and 1 national park.
as well as 1 national park. Understand? So now I will show you what is the outline map of Panchmarhi biosphere reserve area. So now all of you can able to observe. Can you able to see this picture? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
observe very carefully. So middle we have carefully if you observe here, we have 1 sanctuary here. What is this sanctuary name called as?
Bori Sanctuary. Bori Sanctuary.
You understanding that? Bori sanctuary. Another sanctuary is there. What is that name called as? Another name called as?
Pachmarchi Sanctuary.
Panchmarchi Sanctuary. So totally, so how many wildlife sanctuaries? This is one wildlife sanctuary, and this is
Two wildlife sanctuaries.
So this is the actually outline map of Panchmarhi understanding biosphere reserve. So now here we have one national park. This region you may observe here. This region is called as-
Satpura
Pura National.
what is the name
National
called
Park.
as? Satpura.
Satpura National Park.
Even in geography you may get Satpura Mountains. Have you heard Satpura Mountains? Satpura Mountains. In geography,
No, sir.
Satpura Mountains, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. That is the mountains, forest mountains, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. So that is why that the Satpura name, mountain name itself has kept as a national park. So this is called as what? Satpura National Park. Understanding? Satpura National Park. How many national
National
parks?
Park.
One national park. And
National Park, two wildlife sanctuaries.
what two wildlife sanctuaries? One wildlife sanctuary name is called as what? Pachmarchi Sanctuary.
Bori
Another one is called as,
Sanctuary.
another one is called as Bori Sanctuary.
Bori
Panchmar-
Sanctuary.
Understanding? Now, here are you able to see the reservoir also? One reservoir also included, which is like a water reservoir. Reservoir means where we can store the water, correct or not? So we have a one
Yes.
reservoir also in this biosphere, which is useful for the people, understanding, tribals and all. That is, name is called as Tawa Reservoir.
Tava Reservoir.
What we should call?
Tava Reservoir.
You should remember. Understanding? So remaining area, you may observe here, this is small areas and all. This is only called as, understanding, inner zones. That is only version called as what? Only wild animals will be there. No kind of human activities is allowed. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what you should remember. So this zone is called as what? Core zone. What is it called?
Four zone.
Four zone.
Fourth zone.
Understanding. And whatever we have, Bori Sanctuary and Pachmarchi Sanctuary and this national park, this is called as middle zone. Outside, wherever this Tawa Reservoir, understanding, and etc. is present, the surroundings, that is only called as outer zone, where the people used to live. Understanding, Ra? So this is the
Yes,
entry,
sir.
entry gate into the Pachmarchi biosphere. What is that name called as? Panarpani Gate. What we should call?
Napani.
Panarpani Gate.
Yeah, Panarpani Gate. So that name is not required, but you should never remember the names of two wildlife sanctuaries and one national park. Understanding? So what is that wildlife sanctuaries names? Can you able to say?
Bori and
Bori
Pan-
Sanctuary.
Bori Sanctuary,
Panchmari
Pachmarhi Sanctuary.
Next one.
And Satpura National Park.
Called as Satpura National
One
Park.
reservoir.
Satpura National Park.
Down you should write. Write. All of you write. Down. Down you should write. Right. The two wildlife sanctuaries contained. The two wildlife sanctuaries contained in. The two wildlife sanctuaries contained in Pachmarchi Biosphere Reserves are. Pachmarchi Biosphere Reserves are. Pachmarchi Biosphere Reserves are. First one. What is that? Ra? Bori Sanctuary. Bori Sanctuary. Second one is what? Pachmarchi Sanctuary. Understanding, right? Pachmarhi Sanctuary. Do you understand or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So that is
Yes, sir.
one is Pachmarchi Sanctuary and another one is Bori Sanctuary. Next, one national park. Full stop you keep. Pachmarchi Sanctuary. Next, this is the two names. Next, full stop. You keep right next. The national park contained in Pachmarchi Biosphere is called the National Park. The national park. The national park contained in Pachmarchi Biosphere Reserve is Pachmarchi Biosphere Reserve is called, what is the name, Amma? Shruti? Satpura. Understanding?
Satpura.
National Park.
Satpura National Park.
NP means National Park. Satpura or Satpura National Park. What we should call it? Satpura
National Park.
And we have one reservoir. What is the reservoir called as?
Tava Reservoir. Tava Reservoir.
Understand? Tawa Reservoir.
Tava Reservoir.
Yeah, note it down. Tawa Reservoir. Tawa. Both are. Hindi we can call it as Tawa. In English, Tawa. Tawa Reservoir. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Next, remaining areas we can see what? Tribal settlements.
Inner
Yeah.
cove zone.
Core zones, as well as we have some names of it. Understanding, like we can observe here. Understanding the outline map. If you'll observe other names, if you'll observe Churna, Dain, Bori. That is all what? Churna, Doni, Bori.
Core zone.
That is called as what?
Core zone.
No.
Cities,
This names is called as what? You observe Pudukkottai, Tirumayam. Understanding, like Tanjavur. Like, that is what this names. What is this called as? Pachmarchi. Understanding. Next, Pangari Gate. This is all
Towns.
Nemgan. This is not towns. Villages. What we should call? Villages. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It means in the sense of who is living there. Villages.
Tribes.
Tribal settlements. Note it down. Tribal settlements. This picture is very nice. Correct? Is it this picture is good? Looks good?
Yes, sir.
So this is the outline structure of outline figure. Outline structure of understanding. Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve. Is it okay, da? All of you?
Okay, sir.
Don't get confused. Understanding. Inner zone is called as core zone. Only wildlife, no human activities. Next, buffer zone. Wherever the human activities is allowed. Like
Tourists and researchers.
tourism and research. Next, outer zone where the villages are present.
And tribal settlements.
Outer zone, 3 zones. So this is all about Pachmarhi Biosphere Reserve. Is there any doubt, Chaitanya? Is it good or
No,
not?
sir.
Is it nice? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So that is what you should remember. The reservoir
Yes,
which is
sir.
present is what is to called as? What is that reservoir?
Tava Reserve, yeah.
Reservoir. Note it down, all of you. So this is all about it. So now if you understand this concept, so then this is all about the biosphere reserves. So now we will go. What is the role of biosphere reserves? What is the importance of biosphere reserves? Can you able to say? Means in the sense of functions. What is a biosphere reserve will do? What is the main function of it? What is the role? Can you able to say, anybody?
To conserve plants and animals.
To conserve which plants? Is it in our home garden plants?
No, sir. Forest plants, wild plants.
Wildlife. That is what first word will come. So can you able to say, Johan, can you able to say one more point? Totally, I will say 7 points. Anybody? 1 point came from Chaitanya. Can you able to say you? Biosphere reserve. Don't think that only people. What is the specialty of biosphere reserve? Johan?
Sir, the specialty of biosphere reserve is there will be
Conservation of wildlife and wild plants.
It is
Sir,
not.
humans will be
to conserve food chain, sir. To conserve food chain.
That is not. What is the speciality?
Sir, me, sir.
Humans also, human settlements also the part of biosphere. That is what the speciality, correct or not? We have to
Yes, sir.
conserve and we have to respect their culture and their life way of living, and we have to show to the future generations also. So along with the wildlife, wild animals and plants, we are conserving and we are respecting the tribal settlements also. That is what the speciality of biosphere reserve. If we take wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, no human will live. Do you understanding that?
Yes, sir.
Only biosphere reserves humans will live. So that is why that is also one of the important. Chaitanya, do you understand, Chaitanya?
Yes, sir.
So now keep all of you heading. Role of biosphere reserves. Role of biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves. Understanding, Ra? So what is the meaning of role of biosphere reserves? Means in the sense of functions. Understanding, Ra? Importance. You can call it also, you can call it as importance.
Important.
Or you can call it as functions. Not marriage function and some other functions, Ray. It is functions means what it will do. Do you understanding, Ra?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. That is what. So let us come to the first one. So what Shruti said. What is the main purpose of biosphere reserves? Government started.
To conserve wildlife.
Is conservation of wildlife of the area. Write it. Biosphere reserves help in the, every sentence should come biosphere reserves help in. Biosphere reserves help to. That is what. Biosphere reserve helps in the conservation of wildlife of the area. helps in conservation of what? Conservation of
Wildlife.
wildlife. What is the meaning of wildlife? Bracket. Wild plants and
Wild animals.
Wild animals or also
plants
birds.
and animals. Animals is enough. Not required birds. Plants and animals in the area. In the area. That is the first one. Note it down. Next, it helps to maintain the biodiversity of life. Is it true or not? Biodiversity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Biodiversity means
Yes,
what?
sir.
Different varieties
The
of
area variety of biological
Yeah.
varieties.
Variety of biological.
where that is biological species, right? Helps to maintain the
So we need to write
yes.
biosphere resource helps.
Or else it helps to, right? It helps to, that is better. It helps to maintain the biodiversity in the area. Is it okay, da?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the second point. Note it down. Oh, here I have kept some images. Okay, we'll continue this point here. Third point. Actually, these are the animals which is living in a wild zone, or else we can say inner zone, means core zone of Panchmarhira. Remember this. Panchmarhi biosphere. Do you know core zone? Core zone. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
core
Yes,
zone-
sir. Yes, sir. Inner
Yeah.
zone.
These are the few plants and animals are present. Now itself I am saying. Actually used to say later, but now itself I am saying. So these plants you should remember. What are the plants and wild plants and wild animals are present in Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve? By that time you should say this. Teak plant, understanding. Next jamun plant. Next one fern plant. Very rare plants. Next cheetal. What we used to call this one? Looks like a cheetah. That is why this is called as cheetal. Understanding. Next, this is wolf, and this is called as leopard.
Leopard.
Sir, can't see the image clearly, sir, the plants.
Plants image. This is a teak.
Sir, can you say the name?
A teak.
Second plant.
This is jamun. Jamun. Jamun.
Next, sir.
Jamun. Fern plant. This is usually we can use in production of this fiber. Fern plant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fern, you know, fern. Have you heard this word? Fern. Fiber plant.
Yes,
Fiber
sir.
we
No,
can get.
sir. I
I
In
heard.
class 6, fiber to fabric, you will get a fern plants.
yeah,
Yes.
sir. Yeah, sir.
That is. That you know, but you're not.
Sir, not good, sir.
Fen. F-E-R-N, fen.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is the, okay,
So
let me.
even in Amazon forest also there is cores and
Yes,
buffer
yes.
and
Now this is the second use. Next, third help, write it. Third role. Biosphere reserves preserve the natural ecological conditions. Means ecosystem. They will balance the ecosystems in the area. Write it. They will preserve the, or else you can write simply. It balance the ecosystem. Ecosystem means what? All the surroundings, correct or not? Ecosystem
Yes, sir,
in the
all
area.
line.
Ecosystem in the area means ecological balance. You can write it. Preserves the natural ecological conditions. Bracket you can write it. Preserves what? Preserves the natural ecological balance.
In the area.
This is the third one. Do you understanding or not? Next, fourth one. Write it. Fourth one. Promote the economic development of the area. Promote the economic development. How? By creating national parks and all. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So they will give the economic
Tourism
development
will
of the area.
come.
Yes. Which is compatible with the conservation objectives. Write it. Economical development of the area. Promote the economical development of the area. Promote. Like, see, if tourism develop, automatically that area will develop or not?
yes, sir.
That is, promote the economical.
Economic or ecological, sir?
Economic development of the area. Economic means income. Economic development of the area. Promote the economic development Economic development. Do you understand, Igra? Economic development in the area. With what? With the objects which is located in it. Is it yes or no? We are not bringing any objects. Well, the objects which is present, the animals which is present there. That animals itself we are showing to the people and we are getting the money. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So promote the economic development in the area. Promote the economic development in the area which is compatible with the conservative objects. Which is compatible means the objects which is located there. Which is compatible with conservative objects means which we are conservating. With that only we will get the money. With conservative objects like museums. Do you understand, Ingra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is. This is the fourth one. Write it. Fifth one. Biosphere reserves helps to maintain the lifestyle of the tribal people living in the area. Like in the sense of they will promote the culture. Is it yes or no? Tribal culture. Yes or no? Because people are living inside them. So that is also the one of the point. Write it. Helps to maintain the lifestyle of the helps to maintain the lifestyle. Lifestyle means what, Ra? What we should call culture.
Sir, lifestyle is a culture.
Culture of the maintain the lifestyle of the tribal people. Tribal settlements are tribal people. Tribal people.
When was a biological, sorry, this reserves were found, sir?
Yeah, that is also will come next. Sixth one. Biosphere reserves prevent the commercial exploitation of the area. Prevent the commercial exploitation of the area. What is the meaning of commercial exploitation of the area?
Commercial.
Commercial exploitation of the area. Prevents the commercial exploitation, like a cutting of trees, killing of animals. That is a commercial exploitation. Exploitations means exporting illegally. Do you understand, Ingra?
Yes, sir.
Exploitation of the area means in the sense of some costly plants, some costly animals. We will kill the elephants for the teeth. Do you notice it or not? That is.
Yes, sir.
So it will prevent that. If it will prevent that because their highly security will be there. So nobody can kill the animals. Nobody can hunting. Understand? Nobody can cut the any trees. That is called as biosphere reserve forest. We can call. Nobody can even enter into that. So that is why it will prevent the commercial exploitation of the area. What is the meaning of exploitation? Means understanding unlicensed.
Illegally exporting.
Illegal exports. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Illegal exports. Now last one, like Johan said, always it will promote what, Johan? Research works. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Research works. Research works. That is what sixth one, right? It will provide opportunities for scientific research, provide opportunities for scientific work. Scientific work means in the sense of what? Research. Bracket you can write research. Scientific work, economical, environmental study. Environmental study, we have one subject. Is it yes or no?
No, sir.
Scientific research. In lower classes, you are studying correctly. Environmental education.
Yes, sir. EVS, sir.
That is only. Environmental research. Environmental study. Environmental education or study. Bracket you can keep study. And tourism. And what? Tourism. So this is the role of biosphere reserves. What is the role of biosphere reserve? Do you understand, Ra? All of you? Role of biosphere reserve. So we have totally 7. But Everywhere in exam while you are writing, you must write friend. Biosphere reserves help in. Biosphere reserves helps to. Biosphere reserves prevents. Biosphere reserves promote. Biosphere reserves helps to. Biosphere reserves, like that you should write every time. Is it okay, da? Proper sentence.
Okay, sir.
Or else you can write it. That is also correct one. So anyone you should read it. Like this you should not write in exam. Do you note it down, all of you? So this is all about the role of understanding, the role of biosphere reserves, or else importance of biosphere reserves, or else the functions of biosphere reserves. So if you'll understand this, in next class, with this I will stop. In next class we'll study what is flora and what is fauna. What is flora and what is
Fauna.
flora?
Plants and animals.
sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
what
sir.
is flora? Flora and what is fauna? Understanding. So anyhow, we have around 8 minutes time, so we'll finish this flora and fauna also. Is it okay, da? Because
sir.
I think it is going to heavy rain, correct, ra?
Yes, sir.
Completely cloudy. Yeah. So okay, we'll
Yes,
finish
sir.
this flora and fauna. Okay, da?
Okay, sir.
So remember, flora related to what, ra? Flora related to
Plants.
Flora, plants,
Fauna,
animals.
animals.
animals. So this flora
Wild
we are
plants and
studying
wild
where?
animals.
We are studying only regarding what? Understanding?
Plants and animals.
Pachmarhi, understanding? Pachmarhi biosphere only. Do you understanding, Ra? Biosphere
Yes, sir.
reserve. Only we are studying related to the Pachmarhi biosphere reserve. Do you understanding?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That is what you should
Okay, sir.
remember. So now, flora means, as we know that, animals and plants, and fauna means is related to animals. Now let us discuss what is the animals under this and what is the plants under this. So if it comes to here, some plants and animals, particularly, understand, typically they belong to a particular area. Is it yes or no? Suppose if you go to Simla, apple is famous, means apple plants that belongs to that area. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you go to Ooty, Ooty is famous for some plants. Which plants are?
Tea.
That is. So like that, for every area, suppose if you go to West Bengal, understanding, there Sundarbans forest, that is different kind of plant.
Yes, sir.
Like that, if you go different areas, some animals and plants, they belongs to that particular area only. We will never observe any other areas. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is what. So they are not at all found naturally in any other areas unless until if you export them. Suppose if you take white tigers. Do you know that Bengal tigers will never be
Yes,
in the
sir.
world. Bengal
Yes,
tigers
sir.
only located in West Bengal. Correct or not? They will never be present in anywhere in the world. So that some plants and animals, particularly they typically belongs to particular area. They will never found naturally in other areas. So the plants that grow naturally in a particular area are called as flora of that area. The same way, the animals which live naturally in a particular area are called fauna of that area.
Fauna.
You understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So, that is what you should note down. Flora and fauna means not cultivate. Nobody should help them. They should grow naturally and they should live naturally. Do you understanding, Ra?
Wildlife
Yes, sir.
also
Yeah,
same as
wildlife.
that, no, sir.
Flora means understanding. Plants which is understanding belongs to a particular area need to grow naturally in a particular area. In a particular area. Understanding, grow naturally in a particular area is called flora. Which one? Plants. Understanding, some plants grow naturally in a particular area is called flora. Like that, some animals live naturally in a particular area is called, what you should call, fauna. So that is what is the meaning of flora and fauna. Now you observe, understanding, suppose if you take the plants and animals of a particular area, that is only we used to call as flora and fauna of that area. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should write. What is flora and fauna? The at a time definition, different definition. It is what is flora, what is fauna. Now together you should write. Right. The plants and Animals. Animals. What we should call the plants and animals? Animals.
Flora and fauna.
Particular area are called of a particular area. Animals of a particular area. Of a particular area is called flora and fauna. Flora and fauna of that area. Is it that plants and animals will be available in any other way?
No, sir.
No, sir. Only in that, sir.
They will never occur. That is what you should remember in that area. So, for example, if we take, understand this Pachmarchi biosphere reserves. If we take, for example, it contains teak, jamun, understanding, fern, mango, and arjun. Arjun is also one of the plant, which are the flora of the Pachmarchi biosphere reserves. Same way, if we take cheetah, wolf, leopard, chinkara, blue bull, understanding, barking deer, these are the examples of fauna of the Pachmarchi biosphere reserves. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
In the picture already I have shown you something, and even more I am giving you. You can write it. The names, write it. Example. So this flora and fauna means what? The plants and animals which are found naturally in that area. Is it yes or no? They are not
Yes,
somebody. It is naturally in that area. That is what you should remember. Naturally, understand, in that area. So now, example, which one, Ra? Pachmarhi
Teak, Rahul, and fern.
Pachmarhi bio reserve. What is that? Biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves. Pachmarhi biosphere reserves. Is it okay, Ra? Fauna. First fauna. Flora. Examples. What I told you here. Examples in a picture here. What is that? Teak,
Rahul,
jamun, and fern.
jamun and fern. Right. Teak, jamun. Next, fern, arjun. Arjun. Write it. Arjun. Mango. What we can call? Mango. This is mango. Mango also we can call it as sal. Sal in Hindi.
Even mango are in every
Yes, but that is wild mango, special mango. Is it all the mangoes are same?
no, sir.
Sal we can call. Sal. These are the understanding. Flora of what? Flora of Pachmarchi biosphere reserve. Understanding. Next.
Sir.
Fauna, so many animals.
Wolf.
Yeah, so many animals you can take. Understanding? Wolf. Next. Cheetah not. Leopard. What is that?
Leopard, sir.
Leopard and cheetal also.
Yeah. Cheetal means it is not the leopard. Cheetah is different. Cheetal is different. Cheetal means what? It is a deer. One type of deer.
Yes, sir.
That is cheetal, wolf, leopard,